Hey guys, Tank here. For tonight on RC Talk, I want to talk about what got you into the RC, and who are you following on YouTube and or Facebook or any other place. So basically, tonight's RC Talk is talking about remote controls. It can be drones, it can be air, it can be sea, it can be earth, pretty much anything you want. So, but I want to know what got you into the RC, and who's your mentor, who keeps you going, and what keeps you going into this hobby of remote control. A lot of people take this hobby very, very seriously, and a lot of people take this as a way of life, but we got to realize it is just a hobby. Hobbies come and go. People come and go into this. I've known some great people that were in here that I was talking to them, and now they've just changed, and they're now riding motorcycle, and they're not doing their stuff anymore. People grow up, people change and do different things. So basically that's what I want to know. How long you've been in here doing this, why you've been doing this, who got you into this. I just want to know about you and what keeps you going. So tonight on RC Talk, be there. We're going to be broadcasting live tonight. This is Thursday night at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll see you tonight. The link to join is going to be on my Google Plus page and also on my Facebook page. And also I'll paste a link in the comments. So we'll see you tonight on RC Talk.